AI-powered insurance advisor. So, thank you, thank you. So, to introduce the team, we are the team Mommy AI. Can I have a round of applause, please? So, we have yours truly, your host, Ali. We have the Mommy Winnie, the Mommy AI. Maisie, Ali, Sam, Kevin, Justin, Ken, Kian, DJ, and Sir Daniel. So for our mentors, Ma'am Marian and Ma'am Art. So to begin with, we are going to start to a short scenario to explain our AI-powered insurance advisory. Thank you.
I'm about to start my internship. What kind of life insurance could I possibly get? But who would I even ask about it? Oh, Mom AI! Okay. Hi, Mom AI. Okay. I have a question. What life insurance plans are available for college students?
You have to save, mag-aaral na marunong kang mag-info para sa kinabukasan mo. So, bibigyan kita ng magandang insurance.
Oh, what can you suggest? Be specific in life insurance. What can I get life insurance? Be specific, Mom AI.
For students like you, I will recommend you for health, for emergency fund, and future housing. So, I will give you for students insurance with health options and emergency funds with ROI of investment.
Oh, that's it. That's why it's easy to use the AI-powered insurance advisor. It will give us a smart, personalized guidance, tracks payments, and even adapts to life changes. Thanks, Mom AI! Thank you!
So yung next po is ipapakita na namin kung paano namin pinrun po yung para sa use case. So yung sa use case po namin, nag-focus po kami dun sa tips po muna. Bali ang unang sabi is define the user persona po. Kaya ang una po naming pinrun is mag-act po yung AI as a financial service UX researcher po. Tapos, base po dun sa mga naging information, dun po, dun sa magiging result, gagamitin po namin siya para po dun sa mga next na mga kailangan na information. So, yung sa prompt 2 po, sa onboarding and data collection. So, hindi to naman po, next po to na tips, yung decide what insurance data and personal details the assistant should request. Okay, so yung dito naman po, pinapakita na lang po dito kung ano yung mga kailangan makuha na information dun sa user po. So yung next po is yung localized feature set po. So dito naman po is pinocus na po namin dito yung magiging feature po nung magiging yung AI assistant po.
For the live event simulation, use the prompts design AI powered. So yung nagsasalita si Mami AI kanina. So siya yung parang tawag dito, illustration kung paano our AI powered bot mag-act when you use the application. Next is the feature and output from, so list essential features of an AI assistant. So yung provided po dito sa use case, yun po yung nilagay namin sa essential features. Dapat yung lalabas sa AI assistant. Then for the UX design from generating mobile app, so since wala na time kanina, we tried to mobile app layout and localized Filipino flow. So ito po, kumusta Miguel? Coverage ng health. So malalaman kung insured ba yung tao or hindi. Then yung premium tracker kung magkano binabayaran niya every month. Then yung mga alerts kung delayed na ba siya. Yun lang po. Yun lang po.
Alright. Perfect.
Ang galing naman ni Mommy AI. Stay here po because there will be questions and clarifications from our judges. Who's gonna do that? Who's gonna be answering? Kayong dalawa na rin. O kayong dalawa na rin. Wala na kayong choice. Who else would like to join? Si Mommy AI kailangan yata dito. Nagre-recharge pa si Mommy AI. Let's relax. She's eating. Her AI is eating. Okay.
Hello. Thank you for your presentation. For the vision, right, it's a smart protection for every stage of life. I'd like to get to know more sa app na ginawa niyo. How do I, say for example, I'm a high school student, how do I navigate? Versus say, working na siya, how do he navigate different?
Since we made a sobrang simpleng UI design, so yun nga, makita niyo yung pangalan and personalized, meaning, so kumusta Miguel? So it shows na personalized siya dun sa user. Then, we provide yung kitang-kita po agad yung mga, like the percent, so mas mabilis siyang ma-identify or malaman kung ilang percent or yung details mo, parang may imagine mo agad kung ilan na yung parang insurance mo. Since for, like you said po, for high school and sa mga oldies po, since malaki po yung for the working po. So mas makikita po agad dito kung for the health, life, and accident. Then, yun nga sa mga alert po, mas makikita din, mas madali po siyang, basically mas madali siyang ma-identify for the general users.
Thank you.
Ay additional lang po. So pinaka-additional lang po is kapag meron nga pong student na gustong i-try yung application, syempre po hindi po namin masyado napakita dito. Pero sa application po, kailangan meron po kami mapakita na instructions like kung paano na-navigate yung mobile application. Kunyari, sa una po, kapag merong magiging options like kapag student ka, kapag working ka na po, nakadepende po doon. Kaya pipili ka po, ganun po. Kapag student ka, magiging iba yung navigation nung sa mobile application mo. Kaya, yun po. Yun.
Thank you.
Congratulations to you for those who presented and those who collaborated. If you're going to sell this app, give us a one-liner.
Kay Mami AI, insured ka.
Thank you.
Alright, so we have Wais, your wise advisor.